हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आप सभी का लर्न सीएस क्विकली में। आज आप लोगों के साथ मेरी पहली क्लास है जावा के ऊपर। जावा प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज सीखने से पहले हम लोग जानेंगे जावा के कुछ हिस्ट्री के बारे में। जावा प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज कब कैसे डेवलप हुआ है, जावा प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज का नाम जावा क्यों रखा गया है, ये सब जानेंगे। जावा प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज क्या है, जावा का कुछ फीचर्स और एडवांटेज ये भी जानेंगे। तो आइए फ्रेंड्स स्टार्ट करते हैं। हिस्ट्री ऑफ जावा। द जावा प्लेटफॉर्म एंड लैंग्वेज began as an internal project at Sun Microsystems in December 1990, providing an alternative to the C++ or C programming languages. James Gosling, Mike Shedden, and Patrick Norton initiated the Java language project in June 1991. Java was originally designed for interactive television, but it was too advanced for the digital cable television industry at that time. James Gosling and his team called their project GreenTalk, and its file extension was .gt, and later became known as Oak. The language was initially called Oak after an oak tree that stood outside Gosling's office. Oak is a national tree of numerous nations like USA, France, Germany, Romania, etc. In May 1995, Oak was renamed as Java, given by James Gosling. Gosling and his team did a brainstorm session, and after the session, they came up with several names such as Java, DNA, Silk, Ruby, etc. Java name was decided after much discussion since it was so unique. इंडोनेशिया के एक आइलैंड में एस्प्रेसो बीन मिलते हैं जो कि सिचुएटेड है जावा नाम के एक आइलैंड में। तो इस प्रोग्रामिंग नेम का मतलब इस प्रोग्राम का नेम जावा वहीं से आया है। द नेम वॉज जावा ओरिजिनेट्स फ्रॉम अ शॉर्ट ऑफ एस्प्रेसो बीन जावा. Gosling came up with this name while having a cup of coffee near his office. Now, what is Java programming? Java is a write once, run anywhere programming language developed by Sun Microsystems. It is similar to C and C++ but a lot easier. You can combine Java with a lot of technologies like Spring, Node.js, Android, Head of J2E, etc. to build robust, scalable, portable, and distributed full-fledged applications. Next, features of Java. पहले है सिंपल. जावा को बहुत ही सिंपल लैंग्वेज माना जाता है. Java is very easy to learn and its syntax is simple, clean and easy to understand. According to Sun, Java language is a simple programming language because Java syntax is based on C++. Java has removed many complicated and rarely used features. For example, explicit pointers, operator overloading, etc. There is no need to remove unreferenced object because there is an automatic garbage collection in Java. Now, object-oriented. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Everything in Java is an object. Object-oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different types of objects that incorporate both data and behavior. Object-oriented programming, or OOPS, is a methodology that simplifies software development and maintenance by providing some rules. Platform independent. Unlike other programming languages such as C, C++, etc., which are compiled into platform-specific machines, Java is guaranteed to be write once, run anywhere language. On compilation, Java program is compiled into bytecode. This bytecode is platform independent and can be run on any machine. Plus, this bytecode format also provides security. Any machine with Java runtime environment can run Java programs. Secured. Java is best known for its security. With Java, we can develop virus-free systems. Java program always runs in Java runtime environment with almost null interaction with system OS. Hence, it is more secure. Robust. Java makes an effort to eliminate error-prone codes by emphasizing mainly on compile time error checking and runtime checking. But the main areas which Java improved were memory management and mishandled exceptions by introducing automatic garbage collector and exception handling. Architecture neutral. Compiler generates bytecodes which have nothing to do with a particular computer architecture. Hence, a Java program is easy to interpret on any machine. Portable. Java is portable because it facilitates you to carry the Java bytecode to any platform. It doesn't require any implementation. High performance. Java is an interpreted language, so it will never be as fast as a compiled language like C or C++. But Java enables high performance with the use of just-in-time compiler. Multi-threaded. As thread is like a separate program executing concurrently, we can write Java programs that deal with many tasks at once by defining multiple threads. The main advantage of multi-threading is that it doesn't occupy memory for each thread. It shares a common memory area. Threads are important for multimedia, web applications, etc. Last is dynamic. Java is a dynamic language. It supports dynamic loading of classes. It means classes are overloaded on demand. It also supports functions from its native language, that is C and C++. Java supports dynamic compilation and automatic memory मैनेजमेंट। तो ये था जावा के कुछ फीचर्स और एडवांटेज। तो एक बार फिर से देख लेते हैं ये फीचर्स क्या क्या है। सिंपल, ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड, पोर्टेबल, प्लेटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंट, सिक्योर्ड, रोबस्ट, आर्किटेक्चर न्यूट्रल, इंटरप्रेटेड, हाई परफॉर्मेंस, मल्टी थ्रेडेड, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड एंड डायनामिक। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज के लिए यहीं तक। नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग जानेंगे जावा के कुछ कंपोनेंट के बारे में। देयर आर 3 कंपोनेंट्स इन जावा: जेडीके, जीआरई एंड जेवीएम। जेडीके क्या है, जेवीएम क्या है और जीआरई क्या है, ये सब हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में जानेंगे। फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों को अगर ये क्लास से कुछ भी हेल्प हुआ है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड शेयर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।